Alrighty, so today I am going to be removing some tree of heaven, and the main issue is you can't just remove them. So this is a long project. You are maybe waiting a month or two before you can actually remove the trees, but you're going to start with the hack and squirt method. You're going to need some strong herbicide. You're going to need an axe. I recommend whoever has the axe, you want some solid work gloves, go around and just add gaps, hack a place in around the trunk of your tree all the way around, and then you have a second person that has gloves and a mask that is squirting the herbicide into those gaps that you're creating. So this is going to kill the tree. What the tree will do is suck all of that herbicide into it. It'll kill the tree from the inside so that it won't send suckers everywhere when you cut it down. So this is what we're trying to avoid, is it making more babies in the process of you cutting it down. So we're going to kill it. We'll keep an eye on the tree for a couple months, or not a couple months, a couple weeks. I will retreat it, which I ended up doing. Retreat it after a couple weeks, and potentially after a couple more weeks after that as well. But they are pretty well dead. I actually already have had some of these. One of them fell down. But we've got a guy coming December 1st to fully pull them down, and I'm very excited because the tree of heaven is host to the spotted lanternfly, which is an invasive species, and we're seeing tons and tons of them on the tree. So I'm trying to remove these all, but we don't have the ability and the equipment to do this, and you really want to take those trees down, have them mulched or wood chipped or whatever, or taken away, and then and then go ahead and mow that area and potentially grind those stumps down as well. I'll probably retreat the stumps if they are left. I'm not sure what they're doing if they're grinding them down, but I'll probably retreat those as well just to be on the safe side. This probably seems like a lot, but it really isn't too terrible to do, and it's 100% worth it just to try to get rid of some of these invasive species. I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much.